Is your local bank really safe? We often hear that familiar is safe, but is that always true when it comes to your money? Just because a bank is local and familiar doesn't necessarily mean it's the best place for your hard-earned savings. You work hard for your savings. Shouldn't they be in the safest place possible? It's crucial to ensure that your money is not just safe, but also working for you in the best way possible. What if I told you that banking where you live might not be the best option? Sometimes the best opportunities for your money lie beyond your local bank's walls. It's time to challenge the traditional idea of a local bank. The world is more connected than ever, and so are financial opportunities. Let's explore why going global with your finances might be the smarter move. International banks and financial institutions can offer better interest rates, more diverse investment options, and greater financial security. Many people keep all their money in a local bank. They believe it's the easiest and most convenient option. This seems easy and convenient, but it can limit your financial growth and security. Local banks may not offer the best interest rates or the most secure investment options. Think of it like this. You wouldn't plant all your seeds in one small pot, would you? Diversification is key to growth and security. You'd want to diversify your garden for the best results. The same principle applies to your finances. The same goes for your money. By spreading your investments and savings across different financial institutions, especially those with a global reach, you can maximize your returns and minimize risk. So think again about where you keep your money. It might be time to look beyond your local bank. Your money, your backyard local versus international banking. Let's break down the difference between local and international banking. Local banking is simple. You have an account in your neighborhood bank. You deposit, withdraw, and manage your money within your country's borders. International banking opens up a world of possibilities. You can have accounts in different countries with different currencies. International banking is not just for the wealthy. It's becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. With online banking and globalized services, managing accounts across borders is easier than ever. This opens doors to new financial opportunities and greater control over your wealth. Privacy matters. Keeping your financial life discreet. Privacy is paramount when it comes to your finances. You have the right to keep your financial information confidential. However, local banking doesn't always guarantee the highest level of privacy. Your information might be subject to local laws and regulations. These could change, putting your financial privacy at risk. International banking can offer stronger privacy protections. Many offshore jurisdictions have strict privacy laws. These laws are designed to safeguard your financial information from unwarranted access. This can provide peace of mind, knowing your financial life is truly yours. Don't put all your eggs in one currency basket. We all know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old wisdom is not just about eggs or baskets. It's a metaphor for risk management. This principle applies to your finances too. Diversifying your investments and savings is crucial. Relying solely on your local currency can be risky. Economic instability, inflation, and political events can significantly impact the value of your money. Economic fluctuations, inflation, and political events can impact the value of your money. These factors are often unpredictable and can lead to sudden financial losses. This can erode your savings and purchasing power. Imagine working hard to save money, only to find its value diminished due to factors beyond your control. International banking allows you to diversify your currency exposure. By holding accounts in multiple currencies, you can mitigate the risks associated with any single currency. You can hold accounts in different currencies like US dollars, euros, or Swiss francs. This way, you are not overly dependent on the economic health of one country. Euros or Swiss francs. Each currency has its own strengths and weaknesses, and diversifying helps balance these out. This spreads your risk and protects your wealth from fluctuations in any single currency. A diversified currency portfolio acts as a buffer against economic downturns. It's like having a financial safety net. By not putting all your eggs in one currency basket, you ensure that your financial future is more secure and resilient. Section 5. Weathering the storm. Protecting your money from instability. We live in an unpredictable world. Economic and political instability can happen anywhere. This can directly impact local banks and the safety of your money. Think about situations like recessions, bank failures, or government instability. These events can put your savings at risk. International banking can act as a safeguard during uncertain times. By diversifying your assets across different countries and banking systems, you reduce your exposure to any single event. This can provide a level of security and stability that local banking may not offer. Section 6. The world is your portfolio. Unlocking global investment opportunities. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth. However, local banks often have limited investment options. You might miss out on opportunities in international markets. These markets can offer higher returns and greater diversification for your portfolio. International banking opens doors to a wider range of investment products and services. You can access global stock markets, international bonds, and other investment vehicles. This allows you to diversify your portfolio beyond your local market and potentially enhance your returns. Section 7. The price of convenience fees and rates comparison. We all want to save money, especially when it comes to banking fees. Local banks often charge various fees for their services, such as monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, and international transaction fees. These fees can add up and eat into your savings. International banks can offer more competitive fee structures and interest rates. Many online banks and international institutions have lower overhead costs. This allows them to pass the savings on to their customers. You might find lower fees, higher interest rates on savings accounts, and better exchange rates. Section 8. Globetrotters rejoice banking beyond borders. For frequent travelers and those involved in international business, international banking is truly a game changer. It simplifies transactions, reduces currency exchange fees, and provides easy access to funds worldwide, no matter where you are. Imagine traveling without the hassle of exchanging currency at every stop or destination. With international banking, you can have debit and credit cards that work seamlessly across borders, making life easier. You can withdraw local currency from ATMs without hefty fees or hidden charges. This makes international travel and business more convenient and cost-effective for everyone involved. Section 9. When disaster strikes, accessing your money in times of need. Emergencies happen unexpectedly, often catching us off guard and unprepared. In times of crisis, like natural disasters or political unrest, accessing your money might be crucial. These situations can create immediate financial needs, whether for evacuation, medical expenses, or securing basic necessities. However, local banking systems can be disrupted during such events. Banks may close, ATMs might run out of cash, and online banking services could be down, leaving you in a difficult position. This can leave you stranded without access to your funds when you need them most. Imagine being unable to withdraw money for food, shelter, or transportation during a critical moment. International banking can provide a lifeline during emergencies. By having accounts in different countries, you can access your money even if your local banking system is compromised. By having accounts in different jurisdictions, you diversify your risk. This means that if one banking system goes down, you still have access to your funds through accounts in other countries. If one banking system goes down, you have access to your funds through accounts in other countries. This strategy ensures that you are not entirely dependent on a single financial system. This ensures you're not left financially vulnerable during unexpected events. Having a diversified banking strategy can provide peace of mind, knowing that you can handle emergencies without financial stress. Section 10. Go global, grow your wealth. The future of banking. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected. Our financial lives are no exception. International banking is no longer a luxury reserved for the wealthy. It's a smart and accessible option for anyone looking to protect and grow their wealth. By embracing international banking, you take control of your financial future. You gain access to a wider range of services, better protection for your assets, and the potential for greater financial freedom. It's time to think beyond borders and explore the possibilities that international banking offers.